Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Mewtwo. So to start with Mewtwo, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just curves down like this. And then starting right back here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down and then comes back around like this. Then inside of here, I'm going to make a nice tall oval shape. And then I'm going to color in a nice, real skinny oval. It's kind of a little bit hard to see, but you just want to make a really skinny oval in there. Then right here, I'm just going to make a little curved line, kind of showing where the eyebrow is. Then underneath the eye, you want to leave a little bit of space, and you want to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then it's just going to kind of curve up, and right, kind of curves back a little bit. This is going to kind of be his chin, or kind of like the side of his face and his ear. Then you just make a little line that goes over, and then it's just going to come back down like this. Then starting right here, you want to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down for the top of his head. And then starting over here, just make a little line that's going to curve up, and then go over for his other ear. Then starting here, you just want to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve out, and then it's just going to come back like this. Then right here at that line, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to go down, kind of form his nose. And then it's going to curve down a little bit for his mouth. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves in for the bottom of his mouth. Then you just want to make a little dot for the nose, and then another little curved line up here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line down on this side, and then a little line that kind of curves down on this side for the neck. He's got a really skinny neck. Then right here, you're going to make a curved line that goes down, and then it's just going to curve way down here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes a little bit over at an angle, then it's going to curve up, and then come back down. And then this is just going to curve around, and it's going to come up and then go down like this. And I'm going to make a little bit longer line there. Then there's going to be two curved lines right in here. Then starting right here, we're going to draw his arm. So I'm just going to make a little line that curves down, and then it's going to go up, and it's going to be a little bit higher than this one. Now we want it to look like his hand is kind of reaching out at us. So where this line is, just above it, I'm going to make a circle, and I want the circle to be a decent size. Then down here, I'm going to make another circle. And then over here, I'm going to make another one. They're in kind of like a triangle pattern. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw this line. It's just going to curve down to here. And then right underneath this circle, I'm going to curve it in. And then I'm just going to go down and then connect it to here. Then you want to draw a little line in here and then a little one in here. And then just connect them with a little bump. Then make sure this line is connected. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves back to the body. And add another little line underneath it. And then right here, you just want to draw a line that's going to curve in quite a bit, and then it's going to slowly curve out. Now for the leg. So starting here, you're going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to come back in like this. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Leave a little bit of space and just make a nice big curved line. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then a little line here that's just going to curve down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's just going to curve around like this. And then I'm going to make a little curved line right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go around for his other toe. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes up, and then I'm just going to connect it with a little bump like this for his third toe. And then I'm just going to put a small line here and a little longer line right there. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's just going to curve around, and I'm going to go right to about here on the leg, kind of like where the curved part kind of becomes straight. Then for the other leg, you want to start kind of right where this one is, and draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to come back in. Then the line's going to go down, and it's just going to curve around. A little line that just comes around here for one toe. Then another line right here for another toe. And then this line's just going to curve up here like this. I'm going to put a little circle here, kind of for like that extra toe or like where his ankle is. And then just make a line that curves up here. Now let's finish off his tail. So starting right here where this line is, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's just going to come back down like this. Then I'm going to make this line, it's going to be a little bit kind of curved at the end. The end of his tail is a little bit fatter than the rest. And then it's just going to slowly kind of curve into this, and then as I get towards the body, I'm going to make this get wider and wider. So you can kind of see that it gets big, it gets really skinny down here, then it gets wider again at the end. And then just add a little curved line right here just to show where the tail's kind of moving back. Then right here, just make a line that curves up and then down. And now finally, the last step is to draw this other arm. So starting right here, you're just going to make a line that's just going to go out, and then it's just going to have a little bump and then kind of go down at an angle. Then same thing right here. I'm just going to start here, just kind of follow that same line pattern. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then in a little bit for the thumb. And then you want to put a little curved line at the end. He's got those big, round kind of fingertips. Then make a line that just curves up and down here, kind of like a little hook shape. Put another little circle shape on the end here. A little curved line. And then starting back here, just draw a line that goes out. It's going to curve down and then just kind of curve around here. And then I'm going to add a couple little curved lines onto here and a little one right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Mewtwo. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.